Hello, and welcome to Notary Educators. I am Kimmi. You may know me from my YouTube channel, Notary Life with Kimmi, but today I'm speaking on behalf of our training team, Notary Educators. We are your complete one-stop resource for learning how to be a great notary and also how to build your notary business. We understand that it can be challenging just starting out. You receive your commission from your state, they give you the handbook, and they say, bye-bye. And you still don't know what to do. You don't know how to complete your notarial duties, such as acknowledgments, jurats, how to administer an oath. We understand that. We've created training that can assist you in every part of your notary business. Just starting out, we got you covered. Or perhaps you've had your commission for a while and you don't know what to do to build your business and take it to the next level. We also have you covered. We teach you how to build a successful notary business that will be around for the long term, not just a one-hit wonder. You may wonder, what services do we offer? Whether you are trying to learn the notary signing agent part of the business or become an apostille agent, courier, facilitator, whatever word you like to insert, we got you covered. We know how to do these things successfully. We've all added it to our business, myself, Angela, Alexis, and Jeffrey, and we can also help you to add it to your business. At Notary Educators, we offer several ways for you to receive your training and to grow your business. The first is by becoming a part of our Notary Business Success Coaching community. And during that program or community, you will have unlimited access to my courses that are designed to help you learn your notarial duties, how to build your business, and how to add additional services. Along with that program also includes weekly live sessions with me. And I will help you to learn your notarial duties on a deeper level. Also, I will help you to grow your business. Those sessions are weekly. There are also replays included, and there's a private chat community for those who are part of the community, okay? So please check that out. I encourage you to play around with the website and see what type of training works best for you. We also have self-paced courses. Those self-paced courses are designed for you to dive in at your leisure, at your time. Many of you may be working full-time, caring for the children, but you still want to learn and grow your business. The self-paced courses may be an excellent option for you. And you are never but an email away from us. All you have to do while you're doing your self-paced courses is make a list of any questions you may have. We're very thorough in our teaching, but just shoot us an email and we'll definitely get back to you to clarify and make sure you are on the right path and you're understanding everything that you are learning. Notary Educators is here for you no matter if you're a newbie, if you already have your commission and just still don't know what to do, if you're trying to grow your business, whatever part of the notary business you are trying to learn, we have you covered. So again, feel free to check out our website while you're here today, notaryeducatorsllc.com, and it will be our pleasure to be a part of your journey with you. Again, welcome to the Notary Educators training space.